How to select English in Duolingo. Now this is from the perspective that you want to change your base language. Now the base language is the language that you're learning from. For example, right now I'm learning German from the base language of English. Now you can change to learn German, for example, in a different language because the base language by default is English. So, to change the base language of a course, you simply need to add a new course that is offered for those speakers. You can also follow these instructions if you accidentally added a course with the incorrect base/UI language. There are two ways to do something like this. On the web, click the language flag in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down, click Add a new course. From the language page, click down the drop-down from the right-hand side and select the language you want to learn your course. You will then get a list of courses offered in that language to choose from. In the iOS, or in this example, the Android app, tap the flag icon at the top left hand of your screen. You will then see my pre-existing course, which is German from the base language of English. I'm going to click the course plus, and from here I'm just going to scroll all the way down, click more, and once I click more, as you can see, I can learn English from the Arabic language. From Chinese, I can learn English, from all kinds of languages. But if you want to change your base language to be English, all the way in the top menu for English speakers is the default. And that's how to change your base language to English in Duolingo.